Hey guys, so we're asking ourselves, is the object going to sink or is it going to float? Right, because if something sinks in the water, it goes under the water. And if something floats in the water, it does what? Goes on top of the water. Very good. So let's see. This little starfish, do you think it's going to sink or it's going to float?
Float. It's gonna float.
You think it's going to float? Well, let's test it out. Oh, you guys were right. Take it out. Okay, good job. All right, the next one. Do you think the green brick is going to sink or going to float?
Float.
You think this one's going to float? Okay, let's see. Let me put it in the water. McKenna, do you want to put it in the water? Okay,
yes.
You can put it in the water.
It's gonna sink. Oh, it's not float. It's heavy.
Well, it's floating right now. Okay, you guys were right. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Do you think this little girl is going to sink or she's going to float?
Float.
She's going to float? You think so? I'm going to do this one. Oh, did she float?
She sinks.
She sunk. Yes, she sunk down in the water because she's what? Heavy. Yeah.